What if I told you that making your first $1 million isn't as impossible as it seems? You don't need a trust fund, a fancy degree, or to win the lottery. All you need is the right strategy, discipline, and a bit of boldness. In this video, we're breaking down a step-by-step blueprint to help you hit your first million fast. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is real, actionable advice that's worked for thousands of people just like you. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Why is making your first $1 million such a big deal? It's not just about the money. It's about what that money represents. Freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. As Ben Shapiro once said, money is a tool. It allows you to make choices. And that's exactly what $1 million gives you, choices. The choice to quit a job you hate, the choice to provide for your family, the choice to pursue your passions without worrying about the bills. But here's the thing. Most people never reach this milestone because they're stuck in the same cycle, working harder, not smarter. They believe myths like you need to be born rich or it takes decades to make $1 million. Spoiler alert, those are lies. And today, we're busting them wide open, busting the myths. Let's start by debunking the biggest myths about making $1 million that has mentally held a lot of people down from becoming millionaires. Myth 1, you need a high income. Fact is, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Plenty of high earners live paycheck to paycheck because they don't manage their money wisely. Myth 2, it takes decades. Fact, with the right strategies, you can accelerate your journey to $1 million. Some people do it in 5 years or less. Myth 3, you need to be lucky. Fact, luck plays a role, but it's not the deciding factor. As the saying goes, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Myth 4, you have to take huge risks. Fact, smart, calculated risks are key, but you don't need to bet the farm. There are proven low-risk strategies to build wealth. Now that we've cleared the air, let's get into the actionable steps you can take to make your first million fast. So stay tuned, because by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap that could change your life forever. There are several points you need to consider to get to the $1 million mark. We would go after them point by point. Do not miss point 6 because it is a deciding factor to every point addressed in this video. If you know you are going to be one of the millionaires in this world, type wealth in the comment. Point 1, shifting your mindset. If you want to make your first million, it all starts in your mind. As Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. The $1 million mindset is about focusing on growth, embracing challenges, and staying committed even when things get tough. This is what you should do. Firstly, develop a millionaire mindset. See money as a tool, not just an end goal. Adopt the abundance mentality. Believe there's enough wealth for everyone, you inclusive. Be willing to take calculated risks. Successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos didn't just chase money. They chase value creation. So start asking yourself, what value can I offer to the world? Eliminate limiting beliefs. Many people fail because they believe they aren't capable of making $1 million. The truth is, building wealth is a skill anyone can learn. Stay focused. Distractions will come, but the key is to stay committed to your goal. Avoid instant gratification and focus on long-term success. Point 2. Building multiple income streams. Millionaires rarely rely on just one source of income. Studies show that the average millionaire has at least 7 income streams. Here are some of the most lucrative options to consider. Start a side hustle. Whether it's an online business, freelancing, or e-commerce, side hustles can scale to full-time income. Platforms like Shopify and Fiverr have made it easier than ever. Consider dropshipping, selling print-on-demand products, or creating digital courses. Start a consulting business based on your expertise. There is definitely something you are good at, no matter what it is. That is your expertise and your gold mine to financial freedom. Invest wisely. The key to fast wealth accumulation is to make your money work for you. Some high-return investment options you can get into include stock market investing like in ETFs and dividend stocks, real estate, for example, rental properties, and house flipping. Rental properties can provide passive income and long-term wealth. Crypto. Choose this only if you're willing to stomach the volatility. The amazing thing is you have the internet to equip yourself with the appropriate knowledge to excel in any option of your choice. Leverage passive income. Passive income is the bedrock that differentiates the rich from the wealthy. Build assets that generate cash flow without requiring constant effort, such as affiliate marketing, automated dropshipping stores, writing and selling digital products. Having an automated YouTube channel is another untapped passive income source. Amazon KDP has become much easier with the advent of AI to help you create content that will sell automatically without you doing much. Monetize your passion. Turn your hobbies into profitable ventures. Whether it's gaming, fitness, or cooking, there's an audience willing to pay for valuable content and services. Create scalable businesses. Scalability is key to reaching 7 figures fast. Focus on businesses with high profit margins and low overhead costs, such as SaaS products, digital agencies, or subscription-based services. Leverage other people's money. Smart millionaires use funding from investors, business loans, or crowdfunding to accelerate growth without using their own savings. Entrepreneurship is the fastest path to wealth. Start small, scale fast. If you want to know more about luxury, wealth, and lifestyle, my channel has a variety of topics, including personal finance, success tips, and insights into the lives of wealthy individuals aimed at helping you improve your life and achieve your goals. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bells because I dish out valuable information every week. Point 3. Mastering high-income skills. Money follows skills. The fastest way to increase your income is to develop skills that businesses and people are willing to pay top dollar for. Here are a few high-income skills that can accelerate your journey to $1 million. Sales and persuasion. Learn how to sell anything to anyone. Copywriting. The art of persuasive writing can generate massive revenue. Digital marketing. In this digital age, businesses are always looking for ways to grow online. Software development. Tech is the future. Learning to code can open up six-figure opportunities. Public speaking. Becoming an expert in your field and getting paid to speak at events can be highly lucrative. Investing skills. Understanding market trends and making informed investment decisions can rapidly grow your wealth. Every billionaire on earth has mastered this skill. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett famously said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Whether it's online courses, mentorship, or simply practicing your craft daily, sharpening your skills pays off. Point 4. Smart money management. Making $1 million is one thing. Keeping it is another. Many lottery winners go broke within a few years because they don't have the right financial habits. Here's how to ensure you grow and sustain your wealth. Budget like a millionaire. Track your income and expenses diligently. Most people do not take this seriously, but it is the bedrock to maintaining wealth. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and reinvest profits. Do not try to live a life to impress people. You are not in a competition with anyone. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to investment accounts. Avoid bad debt. Credit card debt and high-interest loans can quickly drain your wealth. You need to take this very seriously. Optimize tax strategies. Work with financial advisors to take advantage of tax-saving opportunities. A good rule of thumb? Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings/investments. I believe you are getting value from this video. Click the subscribe button and like this video so that other aspiring millionaires can get to see this video. Point 5. Networking and mentorship. Your network is your net worth. Surrounding yourself with successful, like-minded individuals can fast-track your journey. Seek out mentors who have already achieved what you aspire to. Books, podcasts, and networking events are great places to start. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Make sure those people inspire and challenge you to grow. The journey to making your first $1 million quickly is by learning from those who have walked the same path and made it already. Learn from their habits, learn from their mistakes, learn from their actions, learn from their way of life, and you will find yourself on a fast track to your millions without repeating their mistakes or wasting so much time. Point 6. Taking massive action. It is widely said that knowledge is power, but that power is possible only when knowledge is applied. Most people fail not because they lack ideas, but because they don't take action. Here's how to stay on track. Set clear goals. Break down your $1 million target into smaller, achievable steps. Stay consistent. Small daily efforts compound into big results over time. Adjust and pivot. Be willing to change strategies if something isn't working. Track your progress, measure your success, and adjust accordingly. Success requires discipline and adaptability. The key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Every day will not be a win-win day. Sometimes you lose. It is life. Learn from your failures. Every setback is a lesson. Use it to grow stronger. Remember, the journey to $1 million is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, and you'll get there. Point 7. Some success stories to inspire you. Do you need proof that it's possible? Consider these real-life examples. Mark Cuban. He started by selling garbage bags door to door and eventually sold his company for billions. Sarah Blakely. Founder of Spanx, she turned an idea into a billion-dollar empire with just $5,000. Gary Vaynerchuk. took his family's liquor store from $3 million to $60 million by leveraging social media. Grant Cardone built a real estate empire starting with just one small investment property. Their stories prove that with the right strategy and persistence, financial success is within reach. If you want to know 8 major money milestones you have to hit to achieve financial freedom, then click this next video.